Welcome, friends! Today we would like to introduce you to a powerful tool for cash flow planning and identifying potential liquidity gaps, an Excel-based payment calendar designed for both personal finance management and business financial planning. This template consists of 8 sheets, including input data sections and a visual dashboard with a cash flow projection report. After downloading and opening the file, you will land on the Welcome sheet, which provides a brief overview of the template's functionality and includes contact details for technical support. On the next sheet, Settings, you will need to enter input parameters: username, start and end dates, any period you prefer, typically the next few months or a year, currency, opening cash balance as of the start date, and the minimum allowable cash balance. Next is the category sheet, where you should classify your incoming and outgoing cash flows as shown in the example. This will make it easier to enter transactions using drop-down lists. After filling in the first 2 tables, right-click on the third table and select Refresh to apply the categories across the calendar. Then move on to the Recurring Payments sheet, where you need to enter systematic income and expenses. These can include monthly rent or mortgage payments, daily coffee expenses, grocery shopping, and similar recurring transactions. To start, select the transaction type. Optional, usually categorized as operating, financial, or investing cash flow for easier cash flow reporting. If this classification is not needed, simply choose operating by default. Then enter a description, a free text comment to clarify the transaction's purpose. Select the frequency from the drop-down list, input the amount, start date, and end date. Please note that if the transaction dates fall outside the calendar period specified in the previous sheet, they will not be included in the forecast. Next, open the One-Time Transactions sheet, where you need to enter planned one-time payments and income, such as purchasing a phone or receiving a bonus. The process is similar to the previous sheet, except here you only specify one date when the transaction is expected. After entering all input data, go to the Data tab in Excel and click Refresh All. This will update the dashboard and all visual reports. Keep in mind that the first update may take a minute or more. From this point on, you only need to review and analyze the results. On the dashboard sheet, you will see key cash flow indicators, including current balances, projected inflows and outflows, and the ending cash balance. Special attention is given to the weekly cash flow projection, where you can see if your balance is expected to drop below the minimum threshold. The section on upcoming liquidity gaps helps identify the exact days when you might run out of cash. Additionally, there is a chart displaying upcoming payments, giving you a detailed view of your future expenses. One of the key features of this template is the detailed breakdown of planned cash flows with a time filter, allowing you to visualize your cash movement over any selected period. On the calendar sheet, you will see a month-by-month breakdown with daily details, including beginning cash balance, net cash flow, ending cash balance, and average daily balance, along with visual indicators highlighting days when the balance falls below the minimum threshold. The final sheet, Cash Flow Projection Report, is a pivot table where you can analyze expected income and expenses with customizable filters to structure the report in any way you need. This structured approach has already helped many clients effectively manage their cash flow and avoid liquidity shortages. Use promo code STARTNOW to get a 25% discount on your first purchase in our online store. Thank you for your time.